Greetings and welcome to RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads. This is the premier channel for all things Jamaican and road trips. Today our starting point will be on the border of Albion community and the Grandstand community. Overlooking straight ahead is the Grandstand community. We'll be taking a side view on this beautiful day. The current wind speed is 3 miles per hour, the gust of 7 miles per hour. Wind direction is west. Precipitation is just around 8%. Visibility distance is for the next 9 miles. And the weather is overcast skies, but it's a beautiful day nevertheless. The temperature is about 81 degrees Fahrenheit. This area is a subsection of the A1 section or the 1A section of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, spanning from St. Andrew through St. Thomas to Portland, Port Antonio, which marks its endpoint. The local time is 2:37 p.m. on this, the final day of January 31st, 2022. Here at RoadTripja, we'd like to express our deepest gratitude to you for being a part of the family. For those who are new, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If any value was added to you or even you received a new perspective, if there is something that you'd like us to know, please leave it in the comments and we'll address it as is appropriate. And feel free to follow our social media page at roadtripja.jm on Instagram. Details and link to support the cause can be found in the description. As you can see, if you focus your attention in the distance, you can see two roads. One which is currently under construction and the one that is currently being utilized. At this time, we're trying to make our way over to the Albion Heights section of the highway. However, we are having a brief moment of signal interference. As soon as our equipment is recalibrated and restabilized, then we will make another attempt in that vicinity. So now we're gonna be making our second attempt in this vicinity. So we're just pulling back to see if we can get some elevation, and then we make another attempt to see if we can actually go over to the next leg of the highway. Sit back and enjoy the view as we try to overcome the hurdle ahead of us. We're making this attempt a second time and we are close to crossing over. However, we are having a great deal of interference. But while we're here, just take a look at the important markings so you can have an understanding of what is taking place. So we are looking at the current road network that takes us around this road network that is currently under construction. And we're seeing the 1A section, which is a highway that will move from the Grandspan community into the Albion Heights community. We have once again lost the signal and our device has been disconnected. So now we have no control over the device. The device has been pre-programmed to return to home automatically when there are situations of this nature or magnitude. So at this time we'll just wait until the device returns to home and then we'll just modify the sequence of events. At another time, we'll try to make another attempt to cross this area of challenge. So sit back and continue to enjoy the journey and encounter with us. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends, your family, and anyone you think will be edified by the developments taking place along the eastern coast of Jamaica. And when we get to the different divisions, then we will also make those videos available. If there is a place within the parish of St. Thomas, Portland, Kingston, and St. Andrew that you'd like us to go, please extend to us an invitation and we can come and visit your community. Our device has regained connectivity, but for safety purposes it is auto landing at this time. After landing is complete, we will just give you a hyperlapse so you can enjoy what is taking place in the area. And then that will be a wrap for us here on RoadTripja. Thank you once again for joining us. Thank you for sharing in these moments with us. If this video added any value or perspective, show it with your subscription. Until next time, walk, ride, drive, and fly good. Signing out from RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads is Dr. A. See you in the next one.